The course Matching Your Career to Your Interests offers you a transformative journey towards aligning your professional path with your deepest passions. Discover how to navigate the vast landscape of career possibilities by first identifying what you truly enjoy. With insights into 6 professional interest types, from hands-on realistic pursuits to creative artistic endeavors and beyond, you'll learn to pinpoint where your heart lies in the professional world. This course doesn't just list options, it equips you with the tools to match your job to your interests, ensuring a more fulfilling and enjoyable career. Whether you're drawn to the tactile satisfaction of building, the intellectual challenge of investigative work, or the joy of creating, guiding, or organizing, find out how to leverage your unique preferences into a career that not only suits you, but also enhances your performance and job satisfaction. Dive into a journey of self-discovery and emerge with a clearer vision of your dream job.